Hello and welcome to this video course. In this module, you'll learn how to use Instagram ads to generate more leads. Before I start the chapter though, let's go through the outline of this tutorial, which is that you'll learn the types and formats of Instagram ads, and you'll learn about how to create ads that stand out. Businesses now have the option to not only increase brand awareness, but also to increase website visits and offline sales through Instagram ads. There are three types of sponsored Instagram ads: image, video, and carousel. All three include a clickable Learn More button that directs followers to your website. Image ads are single photos that tell a story through images. This ad format is what launched the world of Instagram ads. Advertisers have the option to create sponsored posts featuring a product or service offered. It also has the option to include a call to action that redirects to the appropriate page of the business website. These could include phrases such as shop now, install now, sign up, learn more, and so on. What's really awesome about Instagram picture ads is that this option is open to all advertisers located in any country. In video ads, it's different from organic Instagram videos. In an attempt to develop a cinematic feel, Instagram has rolled out 60-second video ads, which you can shoot in either landscape or portrait format. These ads allow advertisers to persuade, influence, and sell to audiences visually. A carousel ad enhances your Instagram storytelling because it can include up to 4 photos. Retailers, car companies, and nonprofits have been at the forefront of this new ad product, and it works great for brands and businesses that sell multiple products. With Instagram's carousel ads, advertisers are able to showcase multiple photos within a single ad, as well as a link to the brand's website or webpage. And there are some great features that have been rolled out by Instagram to help advertisers and businesses grab attention and drive traffic. The first feature is, well, the image. In previous versions, images and photos shared on Instagram had to be cropped into a square format. And while that option is still available, the newer version now allows the use of landscape and portrait formats. These formats allow you to make your images taller or wider than the original square format, giving you better creative options for your images. You can now also use sponsored videos on Instagram. It's most successful when you capture engaging content that's relevant to the target audience. Instagram ads can be up to 60 seconds in length. Other recommended video specs include either MOV or MP4 format with a minimum resolution of 720 pixels and a widescreen aspect ratio of 16:9. To create an Instagram video ad, you can choose from a variety of objectives. To keep it simple, let's look at the video views objective. When you choose a video for the visual portion of your ad, you'll be asked to upload a video, browse your library, or upload several images to create a video slideshow. Once you've chosen your video, select the image you want to show when the video isn't playing, which is before the video starts and after it ends. You can also upload an SRT file to create video captions. The dimensions of the video you upload are important. If your video doesn't fit the dimensions of Instagram, the ads manager will instruct you to change it. Make sure to preview the video before you run the ad and update the text if you need to.